Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix live server not working in VS Code. If this tutorial helps you, please subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX and like this video. First, you need to go to your VS Code settings. To do this, click on the gear icon located in the bottom left corner and select Settings. Now, you will see a search bar at the top. Search for Autosave here. Two options will appear: Files Autosave and Files Autosave Delay. From the drop-down menu, choose After Delay. Then change the value below it from 1000 to 100. This means the editor will save your file every 100 milliseconds and reflect the changes immediately on your live server. You won't have to worry about manual saving anymore, and the live server will work automatically. For example, look at what happens if I change this text to hello there. As you can see, the text updates over here instantly. This confirms our live server is now working automatically. That was the first solution to get your live server back up and running. The second solution is to make sure you are using a proper boilerplate and that your HTML file includes the head and body tags. For instance, if I remove the head and body tags and only leave the HTML tag, my live server will stop working. You can see the error at the bottom. Live reload is not possible without a head or body tag. To solve this, you must include the boilerplate. For example, if you type an exclamation mark and press enter or return, the entire structure will be generated automatically. Now we have both the head and body tags. If I write something inside the body tag now, like hello there, and then I refresh the page on the right and continue typing, hi, it is working. You can see that it is working perfectly. So those were the two special solutions for fixing the live server issue. See you in the next video. Stay well everyone.